welcome to the channel once again, and thanks very much for all the new subscribers this last couple of weeks. I'm really pleased that you could join us. This is actually a short video just outside of the normal episodes to introduce my new Patreon subscription community. It's been a long time coming, but I'm pleased to say that it's now launched only a week ago, and I'll be offering lots of tips and tricks behind the scenes, out in the field, and help the community to develop their photography skills, but also their post-production editing skills as well on Photoshop, Lightroom, and the Topaz software as well. It's obviously a value-based system, so I'm asking for donations monthly. There is no commitment, so it is a monthly thing that you can stop at any time. And depending on what you can donate monthly will depend on what tier is available to you. I have 3 tiers. Tier 1 is Team BLUETIT, Tier 2 is Team WOODPECKER, and the final tier is Team NUTHATCH. And as I say, there'll be all sorts of different value-added items that I will be producing and content that I'll be creating over the next weeks and months and hopefully years that will be available to you depending on what tier that you can sign up for. For those of you who are wondering, I will be continuing my normal content creation on YouTube and on Instagram if you follow me on both, so no worries there. This is an added extra, and of course the subscription service enables me to produce more and more content and take up more and more of my monthly working time to hopefully help you guys out with those tips, with those tricks, with those behind the scenes videos, and also with editing the photos. So business as usual, this is just a bit of an added extra. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to those who've already joined. I'll leave the link below so that people can have a look, see whether it's something you want to get involved with, and hopefully I'll see you soon on there and we can build a community together where we're supporting each other and I'm producing as much content as I can to help you out and develop in your wildlife journey. Thanks for listening. Bye.